Hi, Quiver is one of this AR come to life um, companies that they do a lot in for education. In my classroom, I choose a lot of Quiver format, print it out, and play with it with my kids. Today, they have a three version. There is Quiver, the traditional one, then it's for free, and Quiver for education. You have to pay for it now, and then Quiver Fashion, which is not important. So I'll take you to one of the normal ones. Of course, you have to download their app, and once you download their app, you can scan. And the technology that they use is demarcation. So they demark their own printout. So you print, you see here the page, you print the page, and after you print the page, see some for money and some for free. So I will print this Power Rangers movie. I can print it out, see whatever you want. These are their own um, print out, and it's all demarked with an QR code technology, and it comes like an AR. So let's print one and see how it works with my mobile. Now, as I told you, so I printed these two documents from Quiver. Okay, here we go again. I printed this document. You remember Power Ranger? Power Ranger, yeah. I printed this document and I will show you also. I printed another document that from the education side of Quiver. So let's go and download the app. So you go and you look for Quiver. Quiver. So as you see here, there is Quiver 3D and there is sources and there is lots of them. I think the first one is the best one. So just, try to download it and it should come soon. Here we go. Let's check it out if it downloaded. Yes, it did. So we can open it here and we are going to see what happened. Okay. So here we go. Quiver needs to upload a little bit. And once it's upload, it's based on scanning. So you scan it, you scan the code, and you have to allow Quiver to access your. So let's scan it. Well, sometimes let's scan it. I want to scan this photo first. See, because it's education, they said Quiver platonic solid tetrahedron, which is what I wanted to do. It's for $4 almost. So no, I don't want it to do that. So no, let's do the other one. Let's scan the other one. Yeah, and they said there is 5 pages already to be downloaded, and they are for free. Let's download them. Here we go. We are downloading the 5 images. You need to keep pointing your phone to the paper. Once it's finished downloading, here we go. See? It comes to life. You can color it. You can ask for an action. And fun, eh? If we paid for the education one, we will have extra access to all of this shapes and scientific experiments that, it's very, very nice to show the kids. Well, here you go. It's beautiful. You take it away. Nothing happened. Good back. Here we go. Thank you for watching.